Should you buy the RTX 4070 Super, or is it better to choose the RX 7800 XT, RTX 4070, or 4070 Ti instead? The 4070 Ti at its current price of $730, as well as the 4070 at $550, simply can't compete with the 4070 Super priced at $600. I'd start considering the 4070 Ti if it drops to around $650, and the 4070 needs to be closer to $500 to compete in this race. So it's between the $600 4070 Super and the $500 RX 7800 XT. The 4070 Super is 20% faster than the 7800 XT in ray tracing and 13% better in rasterization gaming performance. All that while consuming less energy. So the 4070 Super is the clear winner. Additionally, 4070 Super has NVIDIA's superior DLSS resolution upscaling and frame generation technologies on its side.